Hi, this is a video response to a probability problem. So we have a utility company in a large metropolitan area, even though that's not really important, right? That finds that 70% of its customers pay a given monthly bill in full. Okay, and we have two questions. The first is that supposing the two customers are chosen at random from the list of all customers, we want to know what's the probability that both customers will pay their bill in full. And then the second question is, what's the probability that at least one of them will pay in full? So the first question, say A is the probability, A is the event of the first customer chosen at random paying his monthly bill in full, and B is the event of the second random customer doing the same thing. So if the thing is, those two events are independent, right? So the probability of both happening is equals the product of both probabilities. So it's P of A and B is P of A times P of B. So that's 0.7 times 0.7, which is equals to 0.49. And the second question can be solved a little differently. Basically, the idea is the probability of at least one of them paying in full. What's the opposite of that event? The opposite of that event is actually none of them paying in full, right? So we could say that what we're looking for is equals to 1 minus the probability of none of them paying. So I've written A with the subscript D and B with the subscript D to mean that actually they're defaulting. So the answer to that question is 1 minus the probability of both of those events happening. Now again, those events are independent, so I can say that it's I can just multiply the probabilities, right? So it's equals to 1 minus 1 minus 0.7 0.7 times 1 minus 0.7, and that's 0.91. So here you go.